Whew. Oh my gosh, it is like 50-mile-an-hour winds and it's in the 30 degrees range out there. And I just popped in the camper for the first time in 6 months since my last trip with my boy to Glamis. And I'm making this video because every day someone asks me, when are you going to work on the camper again? And it's obvious to me that the camper build videos are by far the most popular videos on my channel. We started this project in 2017. I thought we could build it in one weekend over Thanksgiving, like 3 or 4 days. And boy, was I surprised. No, it turned out to take about 5 or 6 months of weekends and days off where we could finally do our first trip, a few miles up in the desert, and where we saw the snake and stuff and had hot dogs at the end of the night there. And then, of course, we made our second trip a couple months later up into Big Bear Mountains where we rode our ATVs for that weekend. So we've used it a ton. It's been now 18, 19, 20, 3.5 years since we started building this trailer. And we've used it a ton, all of those winter seasons, to go up to Dumont, to go to Glamis. You've seen the videos. If you haven't, they're on this channel. Lots of fun. But the older I get, the harder it is for me to camp in this thing. So even the last camping trip, we started talking about selling it and maybe upgrading to just like a 16-foot aluminum side toy hauler so our quads fit in here and we could stand up and we can shower indoors and do all those things and enjoy those creature comforts. I would not trade the last 3.5 years of building and using this camper for anything in the world. It turned out to be such an awesome time for me and my boy to spend together. I never anticipated that. It just it's hard to talk about because it's just awesome. We've enjoyed it so much. We've enjoyed each other's company so much, and he's grown up so much, and I've gotten a lot more older. So this video is to update all you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna be back working on the camper. I want to work on it. We still got to redo the fenders. We need to put a bumper on the back. We need to permanently fix the lights. We need to reinforce the tongue. I've been saying this for years, right? But it is in my heart and it's in my brain to do those things. I want to do those things. And whether we keep it or not, I want to do those things because it's not finished. If I sell it, it's not finished. So I want to finish it. But at the end of last winter is when the COVID-19 thing started, March, April, May, and then our business exploded, and I literally could not take any days off hardly from work at all. It was so busy. From the minute we opened the door in the morning till the minute we shut the door, the phones are ringing off the hook and people coming in the doors, and I'm running the whole office, phones, register, and my guys are just trying to keep up the workload. And the reason why that is my shop's in a resort town up in Big Bear. So everyone went to Big Bear. Everyone from San Diego to LA were squeezed up to Big Bear because Disneyland wasn't open, the beaches weren't open, Magic Mountain wasn't open, nobody was flying anywhere. The Big Bear tourist people took it upon themselves to advertise down in LA, Orange County, San Diego, and it worked because Big Bear exploded and we had an incredible summer like we've never seen before. But it was a lot of hard work. I'm thankful for it, but yes, it was a lot of hard work. So I had no time to work on this thing. And then that lasted all the way up until November, and then we got our pool started, and I've just been preoccupied with that and then working on the 365. I really want to work on the camper. I just don't know when. So just stay tuned, and one of these days I'll get back to this thing. I'll get it in the garage. I'll get back to it. I just want to thank you guys for all the questions. And that's what's going on. I have not been able to touch it for a while since I did the axle swap last year. So for now, it's just sitting here, and when I get back to it, I'll pump out more videos. So thanks for watching. See you next time.